Evan, yun nga, nabanggit kanina. Si Coach Bonnie, natalo ka niya sa NCAA, pero ngayon anong feeling na siya na ngayon yung coach mo sa first professional team mo sa PBA?
I really hope I can learn from Coach Bonnie. Siya nga talaga, as I said kanina, siya nagpaiyak sa akin. So, tsaka now again, ipapaiyak niya ako kasi pinili niya ako. So, I hope I can learn from him. I hope magbigay ako sa kanya. So, I hope matulungan ko sila, tsaka sana manalo kami.
Another new teammate mo, naging rival mo rin dati, si Fran Yu. So, anong feeling na ngayon magkakampi na kayo?
Yeah, I'm a learner. I would like to learn from him. Siyempre, bata pa lang, magkalaban na kami. Now, we're teammates, so another brain to pick, another person to learn from. So, I'm excited. Magaling talaga si Fran. So, let's see. Sana dami akong matuto sa kanya.
Excited ka na ba na, kumbaga bukod dun sa on-court na makasama siya makapagkulitan kay Fran?
Oh, yo, napakakulit kasi noon. I've known him since we were young. So, sana matanggap nila ako. Not just him, but everybody else.
Makaka-confirm mo na ba ngayon yung incident nung kayong dalawa nung NCAA Finals in 2019?
Secret na yun.
Secret.
Sa amin na yun.
Pero looking forward ka na makasama na si Fran finally as a teammate.
Oh yeah. I want to learn from him though.
Thank you.
I believe my dream, what I learned in the States, just to like influence my teammates. I know I work hard and I really hope that I could mahawa sila ba sa hard work ko. So that's what Coach Jimmy taught me. Hard work brings you places.
Evan, you faced off against Coach Bonnie in the community when you were still in San Beda. Now you're going to go and play for him. So, what's it feel like, having to play with the coach that you faced before?
Very ironic kasi my last game in NCAA, he made me cry. Now he's making me cry again because he drafted me. It's a big honor. Thank you for the trust, Coach Bonnie and the coaching staff. And I hope I can repay you guys.
They talk about facing your former LaSalle teammates here. A lot of our big
I'm honestly proud of them, but they know how competitive I am, and every time I face them, skip practice or whatever, I want to beat them. So it's going to be the same here sa PBA. I really hope every time I face them, I beat them.
Slip to the second round,
Honestly, I don't mind if it's first round, second round, third round. Basta isang team na nagtitiwala sa akin, that's the only thing I look at. I don't really mind kasi everybody has their priorities. Every team has what they need and what they choose. So I think naman Northport, they drafted me, they might need me. So I hope I can repay them.
Were you surprised that you went down this low in the draft?
Honestly, no naman. Kasi iba-iba nga na kailangan ng mga teams. So, just respect to every other team. And of course, the competitive in me wants to, showcase my talent and beat everybody.
Evan, sabi ni Coach Bonnie is looking for someone to dump the ball during the end game.
I'm sorry.
Sabi ni Coach Bonnie, hinahanap niya daw someone who can dump the ball during the end game, and you've done that for Beda and LaSalle. Ready ka na gawin yun para sa Northport?
I'm a rookie, and then I know Northport has Arvin Tolentino, they have Joshua Munzon. Of course, you have to climb the ranks before you get to the end game part, pero di mo masabi. If they give it to me, if they trust me enough, I hope I can repay them. I hope I don't choke. So. I chose this kasi I want to give back to Beda, LaSalle. Sila naman, without them, I wouldn't be anywhere. They're the ones that gave me the chance to be a basketball player. They helped me pursue my dreams. Not just them, everybody around the community. I'm very thankful for everybody. Boss ECJ, Boss Terry, Bong Basilio, Coach JB, everybody, my family. Di ko lang sila pwede lagay lahat dito. So, I just cut it down to the two schools that, took me in.